Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Freshdesk automations for support ticket categorization step by step clearly. To configure Freshdesk automations for support ticket categorization, begin by logging into your Freshdesk account. Navigate to the admin panel located in the sidebar. In the admin panel, look for the Automations section. Click on Automations to view the available automation options. Select the option for Ticket Updates to start configuring your automation. Now, click on the New Rule button to create a new automation rule. Give your rule a clear and descriptive name to identify its purpose. Next, define the conditions for your automation rule. Choose the criteria that tickets must meet to trigger this automation. You can select options like ticket status, priority, and type. In this case, select Ticket is created as your trigger event. Once you've set the conditions, move to the Actions section of the rule. Here, choose Set Category or Set Ticket Type from the available action options. Select the appropriate category or type from the drop-down menu. After choosing the category, review your rule to ensure that it accurately reflects your intended automation. Once satisfied, click the Save button to finalize your new automation rule. Your automation for ticket categorization is now set up and will be applied to incoming tickets automatically. To test your automation, create a new support ticket that meets the specified conditions. Check if the category you selected is applied correctly to the ticket. If the automation works as expected, you have successfully configured Freshdesk automations for ticket categorization. Feel free to revisit the Automations section to create additional rules as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.